This is Snaps 10262. Please note this is the happiest I have been in at least 13 minutes. 5 times, here we go. Good luck to all. Just snacks. If I want to go get a Pepsi at 4 a.m. in the morning, I can. If I want a nice chalky treat, I can. It's amazing. 5 times, here we go. 1, 2, I bless this with all the love that a man can give to a vending machine. 4. And 5, top is Pistons, bottom is Hornets. That is 5 times. But on that note, they've revamped everything, so they might have changed it. There's healthy shit in it. I'm starting fights. It is. That's cool. For the Knicks, Jerry Lucas. For the New York Knicks. Oh, this isn't where I work. This is at home. Back at the old. I was nearly going to say my address. The Knicks are with spot 8. Michael Sherwin. Michael loves a win on the old. Lockers. There we go. Congratulations, Michael.